In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contacts from Outlook to CSV or Excel. By the end, you'll know how to get your contacts out of Outlook and into a spreadsheet. You can open in Excel, share with your team, or import into another app. We'll cover both the classic Outlook desktop app and Outlook on the web or the new Outlook. And I'll point out where your file ends up so you can find it right away. Let's start with the classic Outlook desktop app. Open Outlook and go to the top left corner to click File. In the sidebar, choose Open and Export. Then select Import File Export. When the wizard appears, pick Export to a file and click Next. For the format, select comma-separated values. Then click Next again. Now choose the Contacts folder under your email account. If you have multiple accounts or folders, make sure you pick the one that actually holds the contacts you want. Click Next, then click Browse to choose where to save your file. Pick a location you'll remember, such as your desktop or documents, give the file a clear name, and click OK. Finally, click Finish to complete the export. Outlook will create a CSV file in the location you chose. If you have a lot of contacts, give it a moment to process. When it finishes, you can open the CSV in Excel to spot. Check that names, emails, and phone numbers look correct. Now, if you are using Outlook on the web or the new Outlook, the process is even quicker. Open Outlook, then click the people icon on the left hand side to switch to your contacts. In the toolbar, select Manage Contacts and choose Export Contacts. You'll be asked whether you want to export all contacts or a specific folder. Pick the option that fits your needs and click Export. Your contacts will download as a CSV file, typically saved in your Downloads folder. You can open that file in Excel to review or share it. Just like the desktop export. That's all you need to export contacts from Outlook to CSV or Excel, whether you are on the classic desktop app or using Outlook on the web.